Did you know that the biggest explosions in the universe make everything humans have ever built look tiny? These are 3 unbelievable facts about cosmic explosions. Fact 1, a single supernova can shine brighter than an entire galaxy. For a short time, one exploding star can outshine billions of other stars combined. Fact 2, some stars explode so violently that they create shockwaves stretching for light years. These waves move fast enough to tear apart anything in their path. Fact 3, the most powerful explosions in the universe are gamma-ray bursts. In a few seconds, they release more energy than the sun will produce in its entire lifetime. Follow Madix_15 for more surprising facts.